Hello my kids. Do you remember what did we learn in our last session? We have revised alphabet E and F with jollyphonic songs. We also learnt how to make pattern, standing line and slipping line together. First we will revise our jollyphonic songs. Okay children, ready? So let's start.
Alphabet E. Mama E, baby E. The sound of E is E. E for eyes. E for eggs. Alphabet F. Mama F, baby F. The sound of F is F. F for fish. F for fan. Let's sing a jollyphonic song to revise alphabet E and F. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh.
Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. So today we will revise pattern through an activity.
This is standing line and slipping line together. Children, let us make pattern using matchsticks and earbuds.
We will do this activity with matchsticks and earbuds. Here, these are matchsticks and these are earbuds. So let's start the activity.
I will put a matchstick to make a standing line. Now another matchstick to make a slipping line. One more matchstick for standing line. Slipping line. Again standing line. Now slipping line. Standing line. Again slipping line. And now a standing line. स्लिपिंग लाइन और लास्ट में स्टैंडिंग लाइन. I will use these earbuds to make the same pattern. बच्चों, ये earbuds से हम स्टैंडिंग लाइन और स्लिपिंग लाइन की पैटर्न बनाएंगे. एक एक ईयरबड को धीरे से रखना है. ऐसे स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लिपिंग लाइन, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन. अब फिर से हम स्लिपिंग पोजीशन में रखेंगे और अब स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन, स्लिपिंग, अगेन स्टैंडिंग लाइन में, और स्लिपिंग लाइन में रखेंगे। One more time, I will put this earbud to make a standing line. See, pattern with matchstick and earbud is ready.
I hope you all have enjoyed the activity. Now it's time for worksheet solution.
Children, in this worksheet, you had to trace the dotted lines and complete the pattern. I have done it like this. Let me see yours. So kids, tell your mama to give you slate or any paper and then you can practice all the patterns. Okay? Enjoy your day. Bye bye.